come fix my wheels. What's going on, guys? So the Alabama truck meet is in 2 days, so I figured let's make a little vlog getting the truck ready. Y'all know last time, if you saw that video, I didn't have time to get the truck clean, so I figured rather than it just being halfway clean, I got it muddy before I went, and then I got it super muddy when I was there. And to be honest, I'm still working on trying to get it unmuddy from that trip, even though that was months ago. But I've got a couple days. This is Thursday afternoon currently. I'm definitely going to try to tackle the interior and try to get the majority of big stuff off. Drive Larry for a couple days for work. It's been far too long since this thing got real clean. Life don't slow up for you to wash your truck, that's for dang sure. The thing that I'm going to start off with is the interior. This thing is horrible. I mean, probably the dirtiest it's ever been. Dallas has been completely destroying my center console with just, she gets filthy, and then she rides with me every day. It's bad. There she is right there. Yeah, you always getting the truck dirty. For anyone that has kids or dogs or both, if anyone aside from yourself is in your truck, it doesn't stay clean for like more than a day. So, I mean, it's just, we got chips and we got a lot going on in here. And unfortunately it has just piled up, and now it's gross in here. Chevy, why did you put this little crack right here? Like, that is just, that it's full of dirt. Pressure wash it, clay bar it, wax it, probably wash it again to fully get this thing clean. I'm gonna get the vacuum cleaner out, get this all cleaned up. All right, let's check the improvements. It's definitely much better. It's nowhere near perfect, but it is tremendously better than it was. Still gotta pressure wash the old mat over there, but huge improvements. I mean, just so much better. Just, the feeling of having a clean truck, much less the inside, is just, it's so relieving, it's so relaxing. Can actually see the floor again. I should have, you know what, I should have just dropped this thing off at like one of the good detail places and just got them to fully do it. But I don't know, I hate paying for stuff that I know I can do, even though I can't do it as good as a professional detail shop, but I can get it good enough. But yeah, so much better. So interior is about as done as I'm gonna get it. Pretty good. Time to start on the exterior. All right, got her fully washed, ready to come in here and start the clay bar, but y'all know what that means. Cold start inbound. So she's looking so much better already. I mean, this thing, it's just a completely different color when it's clean. It's so good, so good. But it's time to crack one of these babies open and clay bar this thing and get all that nasty crud off and out of the paint. Let's do it. Bro, these salty and sweet Snickers, don't go get one, because if you do, you're gonna be addicted. These things are, they're insane. They are insane. So this and a good old Monty gonna keep me going. paint literally has lines at the roof of the drive-through from my first truck. When I had this whip on my first truck at my first job, I'd come down here, cash my paycheck, and oh, it's freaking packed right now. But I'll try to get y'all a view of it because I just think that's hilarious. It scrapes and it's just funny. To advance and get the last couple things that I need to get baby squat ready. We gotta get these wheels and tires looking halfway decent, so let's start with blacking these babies out. Hammer down this stuff on there and usually let it sit overnight so that it's not gonna sling. It'll all soak in overnight, be nice and black, and then tomorrow I'll pressure wash the wheels and all the residue off of the tire, and it'll stay nice and black but not sling all over our clean paint. I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. We'll get the finishing touches done and check the truck out and see how good it looks. All right guys, here she is all cleaned up, and there's only one step left. Come fix my wheels.
God bless.
Yeah, color them babies in.
Why do I have to?
I don't know. I figured you should be in the video.
Where all is it?
That one actually might be.
I know, that one doesn't look like.
That one's actually pretty. Dang, I got a lone survivor over here. Daggone.
You like never see them when you. Okay, here we go. Oh, your tire's hot.
Oh yeah. Get that fresh paint. This is a crucial step for truck
Wow,
meets.
that's actually pretty.
It's a lot better than the bright silver. Now the other side is the horrible. Is it not clean?
I just want to say, Chase is always worried about me curbing his wheels, and I have never curbed a wheel. So.
I've also driven it for 2.5 years though. So.
Chase. But you've curbed your wheels twice.
Oh, it's more than twice. You can see I didn't touch that one up last time. It's actually stayed on there a long time. I probably did it for the last truck meet.
Oh, almost got a little too crazy.
I
didn't get it on there, Jill.
Joking. Well, I'm not going to be upset over that. I've got a massive curb rash right there. All right, now this is the big mama over here. This one you're gonna have to really color in.
Oh, Chase. Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, that one's bad.
That one's bad.
I think that's the one I did. I did this one twice. Remember in Target? This was the second part that I did. Oh, there they are back. Color that baby in. You know, it's funny because on camera you really can't see it. It looks like it's legitimately gone. Or at least on my little GoPro screen. All done. The power of Sharpie. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. We're headed to the truck meet. It's the day of, so we're headed there.
Dang.
He's probably over there like, what are they doing? We'll see you at the truck meet if you're there. And if not, then probably Monday you'll see the video of the truck meet where we gap Mead and Jacob tries to not get beat, and then he's going to give me a 4-second head start. It's going to be good. I'll see y'all then.